Let me ask you this. Is it a coincidence that this was the worst year politically in the history of Colorado, at least if you use God's law as a means of determining human ethics? Our legislators did the worst possible things this year than I have ever witnessed in the 20-some years I've been in Colorado. Our legislators committed homosexual acts on the front page of the Denver Post. Dave, you remember that? So here we have the very worst year in Colorado's history in terms of, let's kill as many babies as possible. Let's make sure we encourage as much decadent homosexual activity as possible. Let's break God's law with impudence at every single level. Okay, every single level. Let's make sure that we offend whoever wrote the Bible. So we have the worst year possible politically in the state of Colorado, and it happens to be the worst year ever in terms of flood and fire damage in Colorado's history. That is a weird coincidence. Interesting, to say the least, huh, Dave? Interesting.
It is. And allow me a little freedom here with 1 Peter. In Colorado this last year, we walked in lewdness and lusts and drunkenness and revelries and drinking parties and abominable idolatries.
Marijuana.
And abominable idolatries. And they think it's strange down at the Gold Dome that we are not running with them in the same flood of dissipation. Sometimes when you're in a flood of dissipation, God might bring a real flood to show you the consequences of the flood of your dissipation.